Welcome to MarineMax of Wrightsville Beach. My name is Dean Ashton, and today I'm on board a new 2026 Boston Whaler 285 Conquest. You'll see in the photos the boat has white hull sides. We've optioned it out with the twin 250 Mercury's V8s. They're in white, and this boat does have joystick piloting, which also comes with skyhook, which is the mode that the boat's in now, allowing me to walk away from the helm and the boat will hold position within a radius. Nice wide cockpit. The boat has a 9.5 foot beam. Transom seat that tucks away, port side seat that tucks away, and you also have a cockpit table that'll set up here and stows underneath in the bilge. Fish box on both the starboard and port sides. Those do have pump outs. Overhead, you'll see the boat's outfitted with the sunshade. Nice big hardtop. This does have the weather curtain set. We have a refrigerator here in the cockpit, great for entertaining. Making our way up to the helm deck. You have a lounger seat with a fold-away port side table. This seat does remove to give you opposing facing seating or to create that lounger. Nice high back bucket seat at the helm with adjustable armrests. This boat is digital throttle and shift. As I've mentioned earlier, it does have the joystick piloting, which has skyhook and autopilot integrated. Electrically actuated vent. Nice full windshield here in front of the helm. Tilt wheel, stereo controls. There's a remote spotlight up on the hardtop, as well as a pair of outriggers. 16-inch Simrad screen. So we make our way down into the cabin. A nice closed door head compartment, vacuum flush head and freshwater sink. Convertible V-berth forward with a nice high gloss table. Mid-berth, microwave, refrigerator, single burner stove, and a freshwater sink give you a nice small galley down below. So that's a real quick look at our 2026 Boston Whaler 285 Conquest. For more information, give us a call at 910-256-8100.